Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce SwiftUI inside. Today need to see this here the add payment cards. So need to make here the UI. First of all, so need to create here the new screens inside this bag, and we need to create here the new file from templates. So need to select here, and we need to select here the SwiftUI view, and we need to give this here the name SwiftUI view, and we need to set this here the titles as a add card screen, and we need to create here. We need to first of all the copy here the add shipping screens because both are similar. We need to copy in here with this data, and we need to paste this here inside this add cards, and unused codes we need to remove here and replace with this here. Now name of cards we need to given this here, this text fields we need to providing here, and we need to set at this here. Then after we need to card numbers we need to replace with this address field to card number, like here we need to copy, and we need to paste here card number errors, like here. Then after we need to another text fields we need to need this here the expiry date. We need to write down here the expiry date. You need to use here expiry date, like here. We need to set it here, and then after we need to removing here two things, and we need to set it this here the CVV. Here CVV. Flex we need to set it here, and another one flex for the default flex we need to set here the state where is default. By default we need to set here the true. Like configurations are the needs, and we need to set it this here. So now we need to apply here the titles, add new card, like here the set here the titles. Then after we need to text fields inside need here the some change, name on card, like here. Then after we need to set here the card number, like this sets, and we need to set here the card number and error message inside the card number error. Here also card number error show, like we need to set it here. Then after we need to add this here the expiry date. Need to set here expiry date here. Expiry date errors and expiry date errors show, like here. And here's we need to set here the CVV error, CVV error show, and unused fields we need to remove here. And we need to set here add card, like set here the titles. Now wait for here the reload these screens, and then after we need to put here the one defaults buttons we need to set it here. Now need to find out here the card row, and we need to copy here these buttons with this background text, and now we need to paste here, and we need to set here is select, we need to set here the is default, like so need to given this here, and apply here on check events we need to remove here, and we need to set here is default equal to not equal to is default, like set here this flag, and set as a default payment methods, like set here the title set as, like this we need to set, and these screens are the done. So if you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're a user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.